Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths, lesson 5, coordinate geometry. This is the continuation of previous video. Now explain exercise 5.1, ninth sum. In the figure, the quadrilateral swimming pool shown is surrounded by the tantric patio. Find the area of the patio. Here, we find it A point is given minus 4 comma minus 8, B point is given 8 comma minus 4 and C point is 6 comma 10 and D point is minus 10 comma 6. And also the E point is minus 3 comma minus 5, F point is 6 comma minus 2, G point is 3 comma 7 and H point is minus 6 comma 4. So here the one swimming pool surrounded by the patio. So we find the area of the patio. So record area of the patio is, we find it first area of the portion ABCD minus subtracted from area of portion EFGH. So we find the first area of the two portions. This is the quadrilateral shape. So we substitute the formula for the area of the quadrilateral. So we first write the solution. Required area of the patio. Required area of the patio, we find it is equal to, first we find it area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So area of portion ABCD minus of area of portion EFGH. So first we find the area of the portion ABCD, next we find the area of the portion. The two answer is subtracted in the last. So already we know the area of the quadrilateral formula. So 1 by 2 into, write in the form, x1 point is minus 4, x2 is 8, x3 is 3 and x3 is 6. And x4 is minus 10, again minus 4. Then we write in the next y1, y1 is minus 8, y2 is minus 4, then y3 is 10, y4 is 6, then again y1 is minus 8. This is the ABCD area, portion area. The next we find the area of the portion EFGH. We write the same method. In EFGH, in the given points, x1 is minus 3, x2 is 6, x3 is 3, x4 is minus 6. Again we write in minus 3. The next one, y1 is minus 5, y2 is minus 2, then y3 is 7, y4 is 4, again y1 is minus 5. So solve this one. Already we know this form, 1 by 2 into, multiply this number, 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus, 10 8s are 80, then 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus, 10 into 8 we have 80. So this is the first portion. Then minus of 1 by 2 into, then minus of next upward arrow mark. So we put it 8 8s are 64, minus 64, then 6 4s are 24, minus 24, then 10 into minus 10 we have minus 100, then 6 4s are 24, minus 24. This is the first area of the portion ABCD. Next one is minus of, subtracted from 1 by 2 into, we multiply the another portion, 3 into minus 2 we have 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42, then 3 4s are 12, then 6 5s are 30. First one, next one, upward arrow mark we put it, 6 5s are minus 30, 2 3s are minus 6. 7 6 are plus into minus minus. 7 6 are 42. Then 3 4s are minus 12. So this is the next portion. So we solve this one 1 by 2 into 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 36, 196. Then 196 plus 16 is equal to 212. So 212 minus of here minus 100. 64 plus 24, 88, then minus 88, 100, minus 188, then minus 188 minus 24 we have 212. So minus of minus 212. This is the first portion. Then minus of 1 by 2 into 42 plus 6, 48, then 48 plus 2, 60, 60 plus 30, 90. So we have 90. Here minus of minus 30 minus 6 we have minus 36. So minus 36 minus 42 minus 78 minus 78 minus 12 minus 90. So minus of minus 90. So solve this one 1 by 2 into 212 minus of minus plus 212. This is one portion. Next 1 by 2 into 90 minus of minus plus 90. So plus 90. So we have 1 by 2 into 212 plus 212 we have 424. So 424 minus of 1 by 2 into 90 plus 90 180. So the next step, simplify into the two table. We have the next one, simplify here 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 212. Then here 1 2s are 2, 92s are 180 minus 90. So subtracted from 212 minus 90 we have 2. 11 minus 9 to 122. So plus 122 square units. So in this the record area of the patio is equal to area of the portion ABCD minus area of the portion EFGH. So we find this method of the area of the quadrilateral formula, we substitute. So we have the area of the portion ABCD is 212 square units, then area of the portion EFGH is 90 square units. So subtracted the two value, we have 122 square. The next sum, 10th one, a triangular shaped glass with vertices at A. So the triangle shaped glass. The 10th one is triangle shaped glass. The triangle shaped glass is vertices A point minus 5 comma minus 4, then B point 1 comma 6 and C point is 7 comma minus 4. So the 10th sum is a triangle shaped glass with vertices A, B, C has to be painted. If one bucket of paints covers 6 square feet, so how many buckets of paint will be required to paint the whole glass? So if only one coat of paint is applied. This is the question for the 10th one. So we write the solution. First we find the area of triangle ABC. So in the 10th one, area of triangle first ABC, we find it. So already we know the formula, area of the triangle formula. This is 1 by 2 into, here A point is we consider x1, y1, B point is x2, y2, C point is x3, y3. So we start in x1 minus 5, 1, 7, again x1 is minus 5. The next one y1 is minus 4, 6, y3 is minus 4, again y1 is minus 4 square units. So we solve this one 1 by 2 into, then multiply the downward, put the downward arrow mark, minus 5 into 6, minus 30, 1 into minus 4, we have minus 4, 7 fours are, we have minus 28. Then put the upward arrow mark, multiply into the two numbers, minus 4 into 1 we have minus 4. Then 6 into 7 we have 42. 6 sevens are 42. Then minus and minus plus 4 into 5 20. So plus 20. So solve this one. We have 1 by 2 into minus 30 minus 4 minus 34. So minus 34 minus 28 we have minus 62. Minus 62 minus 42 plus 20 62. 62 minus 4 we have 48. So the next one 1 by 2 into minus 62 minus 48. So 1 by 2 into minus 62 minus 48, adding now we have, 58, 42 plus 20, 52, 52 minus 4, 48. So minus 62 minus 48, we have 110. So minus of 110. 42 plus 20, we have 62. 62 minus 4, we have 58. Then 62 minus 58. Minus 62 minus 58, we have minus 120. So 1 by 2 into minus 120. We have to simplify into 2 table. We have 60 square units. 60 square units. So the 10th one solution is the area of the triangle ABC 60 square units. Already we know area cannot be negative. So we consider only positive. So number of paint cans needed. Number of paint cans needed already the question given 1 bucket of paint covers 6 square feet. So we have 60 square feet. So 60 divided by 6 is equal to, simplify into 6 table, 10 times we have, so 10 cans. So in the triangular shaped glass, 1 coat of paint is applied. To record paint of the cans is 10 cans. So this is a solution for the 10th one. So dear students, today we learnt about some word problems in exercise 5.1. Prepare well. Thank you.